Lurie Children is looking to bring new hope for children on the city's west side. Casey Cronus shows you the plan and why the community is so excited.
When the doors open next summer, the Austin Hope Center will increase access to quality care for young people on the west side. That's why it was so important for the project's partners to involve them in the plans.
In the heart of Austin, hope is on the horizon.
We always designed this with the youth in mind.
At Austin Town Hall Park, a group of neighborhood kids and teens is serving as a sounding board.
We learn from them. Our team takes it back, and it has been just an amazing process.
During the pandemic, Pastor Contrell Jenkins, who leads Lively Stone Missionary Baptist Church, recognized the need for a holistic approach to healing and health.
The type of trauma that I learned that our children was dealing with, it increased.
It inspired him to team up with Lurie Children.
Lurie Children's mission is to improve the health of children, and we know that health is more than health care.
Now, their shared vision is taking shape.
All of this is really culminating right now.
In the coming weeks, construction will start on the Austin Hope Center, owned by the Stone Community Development Corporation in partnership with Lurie Children. The facility will put clinical and community-based resources under one roof. Mary Kate Daly, the Chief of Community Health for Lurie Children, says the site will offer mental and behavioral health care, along with pediatric specialty services.
And it's the specialty services that we heard from the community would be most helpful in Austin. So things like asthma, adolescent medicine, an autism clinic, GI, those kinds of services.
The brand new 3-story building will transform the corner of Chicago and Lawler.
It's going to give kids in Austin access, something that we didn't have, right? And then not just access, but quality.
It will also feature an early childhood room, a teen lounge, and conference spaces for training. And because the project is rooted in serving youth, it's only fitting that they have a voice in shaping it from the ground up.
Well, the best way for us to do that, of course, is to ask the young people directly.
It could feel like you feel welcome and you feel safe and comfortable.
Students from KIPP Elementary School's Model UN program, the Boys and Girls Club, Stone CDC, and Communities United are playing a key role in designing the site.
So they've done everything from walking and talking to the architects, drawing out spaces that they want to see, picking out furniture, colors, all of those things. So when this place opens, they will already have ownership of it because they've been a part of it every step of the way.
It's giving teens like 9th grader Chloe Hollins stake in the project.
It makes them feel welcomed. It makes them feel like they're included in something.
During a recent workshop, 2 questions sparked meaningful discussion. First, what does a community space that truly supports the physical and mental health of you and your family look and feel like? And second, what are the biggest challenges you face in accessing supportive health and well-being services and developmental resources?
We had ideas like fidgeting rooms or like mentors or like relaxed spaces, you know, when people are overwhelmed or stressed.
Project consultant Aisha Oliver says that feedback is a driving force in how they are adapting to the community's needs. For example, speech therapy wasn't originally in the blueprint, but is something kids in the focus group are asking for.
I think if there's a way that we could bring a service in that will really help these kids gain that confidence of speaking publicly and speaking more about what they see and what they need in their community, I think that'll be an A+ on us.
The project itself also setting out to earn that A+ by fostering healthier futures for local youth.
I definitely want them to feel like a sense of belonging. I want them to feel a sense of value, like we matter. This is why we built this space.
If you are interested in learning more about the Austin Hope Center or getting involved with the project, we have details on our website, fox32chicago.com. In Austin, Casey Cronus, Fox 32 Chicago.
This entire week, the hospital is hosting a celebration of care, compassion, and community. You can help families and patients by making a donation using this QR code or by texting Fox 32 to 34984. All donations made between now and June 9th will be matched. We're going to have more on how you can make a difference throughout the week right here on Fox 32 Chicago.